Trigeminal nerve is the largest cranial nerve which consists of three sensory nuclei. Mesencephalic nucleus, located in midbrain and pons, receives proprioceptive signals from muscles supplied by trigeminal nerve. Main sensory nucleus, located in pons, is responsible for tactile and pressure sense. And a long spinal nucleus, extending from pons to medulla and spinal cord, receives pain and temperature sensations. Trigeminal nerve also has one motor nucleus located in pons. Fiber from all of these nuclei constitute trigeminal nerve. As the nerve passes through middle cranial fossa, its sensory root expands to form trigeminal ganglion. Trigeminal nerve then divides into ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular divisions. Ophthalmic and maxillary nerve as well as trigeminal ganglion lie in the lateral wall of cavernous sinus. Mandibular nerve is the only one to get the motor root. Ophthalmic division divides into three branches before exiting cranial cavity, all of which exit through superior orbital fissure. Frontal nerve which moves forward and divides into two terminal branches, namely supratrochlear and supraorbital, both of which supply scalp, forehead skin and frontal air sinus. Nasociliary nerve continues as anterior ethmoidal nerve and sends branches to ciliary ganglion. It gives long ciliary nerve that supplies dilator pupillae and is sensory to cornea, exhibiting corneal reflex. It then gives posterior ethmoidal and infratrochlear nerve and ends by dividing into internal and external nasal branches, which supply skin of the tip of nose. Lacrimal nerve goes to lacrimal gland. Maxillary nerve leaves the cranial cavity through foramen rotundum. It gives meningeal as well as zygomatic branch which divides into zygomaticotemporal and zygomaticofacial nerves. Pterygopalatine ganglion is suspended to maxillary nerve through small branches. It receives preganglionic parasympathetic fibers through facial nerve via greater petrosal nerve. Postganglionic fibers go through zygomaticotemporal nerve to lacrimal nerve and supply lacrimal gland. Pterygopalatine ganglion also gives nasal, pharyngeal, orbital and palatine branches. Maxillary nerve further gives anterior, middle and posterior superior alveolar nerves and supply upper teeth and maxillary sinus. Maxillary nerve terminates as infraorbital nerve and supplies face and side of nose. Mandibular nerve has both sensory and motor roots. It leaves the cranial cavity through foramen ovale. It enters in infratemporal fossa and gives meningeal branch and nerve to medial pterygoid which supplies medial pterygoid, tensor tympani and tensor veli palatini. Mandibular nerve divides into small anterior and big posterior division. Anterior division gives four branches, namely mesenteric, deep temporal, nerve to lateral pterygoid and buccal nerve. Posterior division gives off auriculotemporal, lingual and inferior alveolar nerves. Attached to nerve to medial pterygoid is small otic ganglion which receives preganglionic parasympathetic fibers from glossopharyngeal nerve via lesser petrosal nerve. Postganglionic fibers travel through auriculotemporal nerve and supply parotid gland. Auriculotemporal nerve also supplies external auditory meatus, temporomandibular joint and scalp. Attached to lingual nerve is small submandibular ganglion which receives preganglionic parasympathetic fibers from facial nerve via cauda tympani. Postganglionic fibers supply submandibular and sublingual glands and mucous membrane of anterior 2/3 of tongue. Inferior alveolar nerve divides into mental nerve, which supplies sensations to lower teeth and skin of chin, and myloid nerve, which supplies myloid and anterior belly of digastric. Lesion to sensory root causes loss of sensations from phase supplied by trigeminal nerve and loss of corneal reflex. Lesion to motor root causes jaw deviation towards paralyzed sight.